Hey, what's up? So here's another drawing, and for this one, instead of your conventional black and white, picture drawing thing, I decided to change it up a little bit and do white on black. So first I took a white sheet of paper and colored the inside with black ink. Then I took this white gel pen and started doodling around, making a whole bunch of squiggly, spiky lines everywhere. And it started looking really cool. At this point, I started to realize that the thing that I just drew kind of looked like a person, so I gave him eyes. And then I started to think, oh. Okay. So then I started to think, oh, kind of looks like he's falling, to the mouth of a creature, or endless pit of eternity, depths unknown to man. So I drew a bit of an outline around him, and then filled that in with other various squiggles and lines and stuff. And here I thought I was done, but then I realized, let's make it a little more full, and so I added more lines and more squiggles. Then I started to add these teeth, because it looked more like the mouth of an evil, nasty monster. But anyways, I think it looked cool, and I liked the way it turned out. Thanks. Okay, bye.